Good evening, this is Josh. Here's an update on Hurricane Earl. Hurricane Earl, as of the 10 p.m. advisory, it is now 10 p.m. Winds are at 105 miles per hour. It is moving north-northeast at 18 miles per hour. The pressure is down to 951 millibars, or I should say up to, rather. It is gradually weakening, slowly now over time. It did not strengthen like we said it would. It did not take the path that we thought it would because of the Gulf. The Gulf flow that came through. It took it and spread the eye out a little bit. It is a 55 mile wide eye, so it's just going to kind of ride up the coast. Take a look at the satellite imagery here. You can see it really doesn't even have an eye. You can't really tell there. There's no really eye there. Take a look at the water vapor. As you can see, it's just such a large system. I mean, it's just riding its own environment, riding up the East Coast. I expect it to go. This is as close as it's going to get, really, and it's going to go up. It could possibly hit the Massachusetts coast. I don't think it will, though. And then it'll go up and hit Maine and Nova Scotia, and they'll get pretty hard impacted. We look at Tropical Storm Fiona here. It never did take the path that it wanted to over there through Florida. The cold front didn't move in quick enough, and the ridge should be setting up here soon, which would take Gaston away, but that's a different story. We'll talk about that one soon. Fiona should just go straight up and could impact Bermuda some, but it shouldn't strengthen too much. Take a look at the Doppler radar for this. It is putting off pretty torrential rainfall at Cape Hatteras. The winds are probably pretty good out there. Not as bad of a storm as we had anticipated, but it's still pretty bad. Yeah, I mean, don't take it for granted that the winds are down to 105. You know, it could take a random strength burst and get back up to Category 3 before it gets really close to Cape Hatteras. But yeah, that's the tropical update. I mean, there's not really much else to talk about. I mean, take a look over here. Let's go and look at the hurricane advisories. Sorry about that. Phone ringing here. Hurricane advisories. Hurricane warnings for the coast of Cape Hatteras on up to North Carolina and Virginia border. Hurricane watch over here because the hurricane really shouldn't get too close there. Hurricane warning for Massachusetts coast. They should come pretty close there. And hurricane watch for Nova Scotia because it'll probably go up there. Not until another 48 hours, more than likely. Let's go ahead and take a look at the projected path here. They're saying it'll be at 100 miles an hour by the time it gets up here. I think this projected path is pretty much right. It will go just to the east of Massachusetts, if not make landfall, and it will go up. It will not make landfall at Maine. It will more than likely make landfall at Nova Scotia. And by the time it gets out there, it will be extratropical. Not much to worry about there. But we'll keep you posted. I might post in the morning another tropical update. If not, then we'll give one tomorrow afternoon. But that's it for now. Thank you. This is Josh, the Weather Nut Crew, signing off.